Hey, so I'm gonna keep this video short. We're looking for instructors. Okay, so the qualifications for instructors, you need to meet this criteria here. You must have a minimum of 10 years as a licensed contractor. Okay, I don't care if your license is currently inactive or inactive currently, but you need to have, you need to be, we need to see 10 years of a license status. Okay, and that means you need to have had your license for 10 years. Um, and also too, so you can understand about the construction industry, because at the construction entrepreneur school, we not only teach about how helping individuals prep for the state exam, we also teach them how to run a successful construction business. Okay, we also teach them about estimating and blueprints and overhead overhead percentages and how to estimate these jobs and how to be successful and things they need to know about workers' comp and general liability and commercial auto and what is bonding different from the bond that the contractor state license board require you to have. Talk about public works jobs. So we drop little nuggets in here. We have full classes to help people learn more within their study. Okay, so you need to have a minimum of 10 years as a licensed contractor. You need to be able to teach, okay, and you need to be able to understand about the laws as a contractor here in California, okay, because we're covering about the law and business portion, which deals with the exam, and we're also covering about a little bit about the trade math as well. So you need to understand geometry. You need to understand the law and business side. You need to have a minimum of 10 years as a licensed contractor. And you also need to be computer savvy, okay? A lot of our classes are a live video, similar to what I'm doing now. It's only now this video will be uploaded to YouTube. So I'm going to require you to send me a video, okay? And you'll send that video to connect, CONNECT, at constructionentrepreneurs.com. Okay, the video, the email will be posted below, and you just send me a quick video, quick 2-minute video, maybe even a 1-minute video, with your name, what you do, and why you're qualified for the position. Okay, also give me your license number as well, so I can look that up. And we're eager to bring on at least maybe about 2 instructors, okay? And you'll be teaching probably once to twice a week, and you'll be teaching at your either at our office or at your home, as long as you have a place to actually hold that class. Okay, a lot of the studying materials is already developed. All we do is have to go over it with you to understand it, and then you can present it. Okay, and the platform is already available. You just have to log in. The students will log in, and you'll present. Okay, you'll answer any needed questions, and that'll be it. So we're looking for instructors. So if you feel that you've been contracting long enough, you have time to take up something new, then, either give us a call to understand a little bit more info about this, or just send us over that video, short little video with your name, your license number, and why you should be selected. And I'll hear from you soon. Thank you.